Go to the GarageBand app. This usually comes pre-installed with your iPhone. Slide right into Audio Recorder. Disable the metronome on the top to avoid annoying clicking noises, followed by clicking on the third icon from the top left. The next thing that you do is to import songs from either app library or from the ones that are downloaded from internet. I have previously downloaded the song, so I'm just gonna go look for it in my files. I'm gonna go put up a ringtone that's named Honeycomb. I shall now drag that out to the blank screen. Tap on the little plus icon on the top right, which opens up a panel that says Section A 8 bars. You want to go and change it up to 30. That indicates 30 seconds of the song. Tap on the top left icon and save the song. You can also choose to rename it to the name of your choice. Now I'm going to long press on it, tap on share and set it as a ringtone. Once you're done with the export, you can choose to set it as your standard ringtone.